show you how to get Songbird, who's the hardest person that I ever have to get. The second hardest person is probably Gambit, because they're timing you to get a bunch of data cartridges. You need to get like 35,000 to get him. So you need to beat up almost all the bad guys. Well, I beat up all of them and found a bunch of those cartridges, the data things, and then get to the exit. If you don't get to the exit, then it doesn't matter. You will still lose. This is the best move. After I got sick of losing all the time by trying to get this person, I finally went online and found out that there was some kind of move called the shatter screen, something like that. This is to shatter screen your way to victory. Well, in the PlayStation 2, doesn't have that move, so I invented this move. Well, I didn't invent it, but I invented this to get to the first thing you need to do, make sure that everybody is gone before you get the scientists. There's even guys out here. You can hear them. The reason why I do this is because when you go out there, they're all going to start coming in and start attacking you and the scientists. So this spares you some extra life. No more guys out there. This is probably the best and easiest way to get Songbird, no doubt about it. You just keep doing this, and you can get her easily. Just watch out for those big ones. They like to hit the scientists. Just don't forget that they're timing you though, so you can't take your sweet time. Make sure they don't throw stuff at you either, because they like to do that. Oh, here it is. There's some guys out there too. I just got that too, probably. Make sure you're flying, that way they don't just knock you down. See, they're not even trying to hit me, they're just standing there. I hate how these guys just stand around and let them hit you, or let them hit them. In a different challenge, they have, you're supposed to save the Wakanda people, whatever, how you pronounce it. Well, when you're trying to rescue them, they have these guards that are trying to attack them, and they fight back. This guy's getting my nerves. He keeps on getting back up. I'm just gonna leave. Hang on, I'm gonna try something. Hold on. I'm gonna try this. The Sonic Screen Kill doesn't work at all. Just so you know. The one that I'm not using it. In order to get Songbird, it doesn't matter if you beat Moonstone or not. You just need to make sure that you have, how many points? 15,000 points. So if you beat Songbird, it doesn't matter. You just need to have that 15,000 points in order to get her. When you beat Moonstone, you only get like 230 something points. I think 230. So just make sure that you fight bad guys too, like these nanites, whatever they're called. Yeah, 230 points. And that's it. That's how you get her. If you want me to show you guys how to get another hero or villain, just post it on my comments board or email me or something. Because I'm here all summer, literally.